Greetings, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to get rid of Reels on Instagram. I know there are a lot of people out there, just like me, who love using Instagram for awesome content and staying connected with friends, rather than mindlessly scrolling for hours. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to download the Instagram app on your phone and log in. And as you can see, there are many e-reels here that are provoking us for endless scrolling. We don't want that. So first, we must open the Google Play Store, or the App Store if you're using an iPhone, and search for No Scroll. It should be the first result. Once you've found it, go ahead and install it. Now that you have the No Scroll app installed, open it up. You'll be prompted to select Blocked All, and then agree to the terms and conditions. Once you've done that, scroll all the way down to the bottom and find the Downloaded Services section. Tap on No Scroll and make sure it's turned on. Finally, click OK to save your settings. And voila, you're all set. Now, go back to Instagram and enjoy a scroll-free experience. As you can see, no more Reels tempting you to waste your precious time. You can focus on what really matters, quality content and connecting with your friends. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you. Happy scrolling, or should I say, happy no scrolling. I hope this helped you and see you next time. Bye.